So this month, I'm doing 2 workshops offering myofascial release and trigger point release. And some information about that. Using tennis balls and blocks, we're going to get into the soft tissue, trying to identify areas that have knots that are all bunched up, and using the tennis balls to target those areas to create a release in the tissue, to heighten the blood flow, the circulation, and to stimulate the central nervous system so the tissue functions properly and fully again. Myofascial release is the technique of pinning down the fascia, this connective tissue sheath that is deep and superficial in the body. It's all throughout the body like layers in skin in an onion. And what we do is we use the tennis balls or the blocks to pin down the fascia and then move the muscle away from that, again creating full function in the tissues, better range of motion, more circulation, and it will also help with restoring areas that have been injured, that have been underused. And it's great therapy, it feels really good. So come and try the upper body and the lower body, the 15th and the 29th.